Saturday, February 1st, 2025. Here's the Astro Excel chart for the month ahead. We are going to be in this zigzagging down pattern down till about the 7th, where we have this peak on the 4th. Let me go to the 3rd here. Actually, a bottom on the 3rd at 1300, coming up to a peak at 3 a.m. on the 4th, and down to midnight here. On the 5th, we have another low. Then we make a peak on the 5th at 2200. Then we've got a pretty good push down, which is going to bottom here on the 7th at 1300. Then we get a strong move from the minus 15 level all the way up to this peak on the 9th at 1500. Then we're moving down. We've got a low on the 11th at the end of the day session. Then we get kind of wrapped between the 10 lines. We're tracking down into the 13th, and then we're pretty much sideways, just hovering around the 0 line until the 21st. Actually bottoming on the 20th, get above 0 on the 21st, and get a push up to above the plus 10 line on the 23rd at 8 a.m. Reversing back down to the 24th, bottom at 4 a.m. Push back up to the plus 16 level at 7 a.m. on the 25th. Down to a bottom here on the 26th at 9 a.m. And then a push back up to the 27th at 3 a.m. And then we're kind of sideways through the 28th there, through the end of the month. So that's what the month ahead looks like. I'll do the weekly as well in this video. Moving to the first week of February here, now you can see that pattern spread out a little bit more. That ratcheting down pattern that we're looking at all week, which is going to bottom on the 7th, Friday. It's going to bottom at about 1300. Important blue line peaks for the week. Our first one is on the 3rd, bottoming out at minus 10 at 6 a.m. on Monday. Tuesday we get a lower spike low at 2 a.m. making a double bottom there at 2100 for another spike low. And then we've got two inside the 10s. The important one here on the 6th at 2100. And then on Friday, we get an important low here at 9 a.m. and that's corresponding with the bottom on the green line. So for that time period there, we are bottoming on both lines, and then we're moving upward on both with the spike at noon down to 1600 on the day session. So we've got a little cross current there Friday, but always pay attention to the confluence where the lines are moving in the same direction. Like here, here in this upward move, here in this downward pattern, and then from this spike here, both lines moving down, and then both lines moving up here. So you always want to be aware of that and pay attention to that confluence areas where both of them are either positive or negative. They tend to have a stronger influence at those points.